So we're saying goodbye to Bonham Park today, and we're gonna make our way back towards Portland, and we'll probably get as far as Amarillo, maybe even on the other side of Amarillo, maybe even out of Texas, who knows. But let's check it out, see what kind of trouble we can get in today on another SqWatch Dog adventure. There's a Roadrunner. Let's see how fast he can go. You're supposed to be able to go 20 miles an hour. Roadrunner, the coyote's after you. Roadrunner, if he captures you, you're through. Go, run as fast as you can. Yeah, he's eating. See you later, Roadrunner. Goodbye. Well, I think it's going to be a little easier driving today, don't you?
Much easier. As of right now, I don't think it's going to get as windy.
Yeah, the winds have definitely died down, and hopefully they won't pick up later on today because this is nice. I like this.
But this is Texas.
Texas? What does that mean? You never know what.
It'll still get windy.
It'll still get windy? I thought that was Oklahoma.
Oh, maybe.
We're pretty close to Oklahoma, though. Yeah, probably.
We'll see. Check back in at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, check back in at 4 o'clock. That's a good idea. So here we are in Bonham, and this is a pretty cool building. It must be the courthouse or something. Kind of a cute little town. Reminds me of something you'd see in Iowa. You know, Brad, I just saw a sign that said no trucks. And here in Texas, I'd say if that sign says no trucks, that means no parking.
I saw a sign that said, get hit, call wit.
You know, you get on this side of Texas and it sure is flat. We're back in Amarillo. As a matter of fact, we've been on this road in the past when we did our Route 66 series. Matter of fact, people can see that video on our trip through Amarillo and on Route 66 by going to the link up above. You know, I've always heard about Buc-ee's, and I see there's one coming up. There it is, Buc-ee's Amarillo. We did a video on Buc-ee's earlier. If you want to check it out and see what Buc-ee's is all about, click on the link up above. We are now in New Mexico. I say we are officially back in the West. Yay!
Just got an extra hour of daylight.
Oh yeah, New Mexico time. This is where we intend to stay tonight at Ute Lake State Park in New Mexico. You know, Brad and I were driving over here and we were like, gosh, that sounds familiar. I think we've stayed there before. And sure enough, we had during our Route 66 trip last fall. Matter of fact, if you would like to see that video, you can just click on the link above and see exactly where we stayed and exactly why we love this place. It's fantastic. This is where we ended up staying last time. But then Brad was walking when he was there and found this place. So we decided to stay over here. It's a little bit bigger and maybe a little bit flatter. They're both really interesting spots. Unfortunately, we don't have fog rising from the water like we did last time, which was really cool. Well, it's time for us to hit the hay pretty soon. Moon's up, so we're gonna say goodnight and hope that Riker doesn't jump in the water here. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it, and it would help our channel grow. But in the meantime, happy trails.